I am Bill Barkley, Director of Marketing for Steelcase Incorporated. I currently use the Naida Superpower hearing aid. I've had hearing aids for 40 years with amplified sound, but for me now it's about the depth and the quality of the sound that I hear. And Naida has opened up a whole new world for me. I've also recaptured a lot of sound that I'd never heard before, and those sounds are rich and full. For example, at the base of Kilimanjaro, as I was climbing to the top of the mountain, we were going through the rainforest. And what was amazing was to stand there in the forest canopy and hear that there were a number of monkeys jumping from tree to tree. And you could hear each individual monkey in the different places and where they were. The sound recovery technology is amazing. For example, when I listened to Billy Joel's Piano Man for the first time using the technology, I was able to recapture notes and sound that I had never heard before. Many people with hearing aid don't exercise. The perspiration, the shorting out of the electronic, they're very sensitive. But with the Naida, I don't have that concern anymore. I can work out for an hour and I don't have to worry about the electronic and impacting them because of the humidity and having lower levels of performance. So it's freed up activities that I thought were gone that I can now enjoy once again. Many possibilities have opened up with regard to work. And when you work in groups and teams, you find yourself in conference rooms, seminars, or loud auditorium situations. And as a result, the hearing demands have become overwhelming with loud noises and trying to hear what's happening. But with Naida, we've changed that.